What's good, YouTube? Y'all already know what going on, okay? It's Miss Germany Bad with the 2Ds. I'm the people's favorite unicorn mermaid princess, and if you're interested in learning how to combine locks, then let's go ahead and get into it.
Man, I gotta maintain my grind. Man, I can't stop.
So what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need our crochet hook. If you don't have the single prong crochet hook, you can get a double prong. If you don't have the double prong, get the triple prong. Whatever crochet hook you have, you can make it work. Trust me, okay? So we're gonna start with these two. As y'all can see the difference in size. Look at this, thick, okay, real thick. Then we got skin, okay? I would say if you have a triple prong crochet hook, it's a great idea to have that, because for this first step we're gonna need something that can tear these locks up, okay? I mean actually tear them up. Like we gotta get them so frizzy to the point where it's like, damn, like what's wrong with your locks? Like why they so frizzy? That's how frizzy we need to be getting them. Unravel. Okay, this is a very important step. Do not forget this step. Okay, you want to take the end of one lock right here, see that, and the top of this lock right here, see that, open it up, see how I got it open, stick the end of this through here, okay? Watch, y'all see this? Now look at the root. It's one. You take your lock and you want to frizzy it up, okay? Comb it, do whatever you gotta do. I'm finna use this 3-prong crochet hook and show y'all how it goes. If you do not make this lock frizzy and you just go straight in with the crochet hook, it's not gonna be right, it's not gonna work out. You're never gonna be able to crochet those locks together, because all this frizzy hair is what we're gonna use to be able to combine the locks together. If you don't have no frizz, no extra hair hanging out on the outside, it's not gonna work for you, sister. I got my 2 locks that's already connected at the top. I got my 2 locks that's super frizzy at the moment. And we are going to start from the top. The root is obviously going to be twisted towards the right. This is the science behind what we doing, okay? Boom, we see this hair that's over here. When I take my crochet hook and I stick it in, what I'm doing is this little tiny a hook is going to grip onto this hair like this and pull it through to be on the other side, okay? And that's how the locks is gonna come together. Now I'm going to go switch to the 2-prong crochet hook, because we want this to be nice and speedy, nice and easy. We're gonna use this crochet hook and pull it right on out. We're gonna pull it out. Now the hair that was on that side went through and it's on this side. What you really want to make sure that you're doing is going through both of the locks though, because if I just go through one lock, then I'm not accomplishing anything. Right? You need to be careful when you're at the top, especially if you're doing it with a client hair. If you have a client and you at the top near the root, don't do too much, okay? Because it's gonna hurt them. You don't want to rip the hair out their scalp. Going in here and combining these locks, it's very important that we know that we have to rotate them, okay? So right now, this is what we have so far. Y'all see how it's coming together already? See that? Yes. You do not want to do this to death, okay? After the locks is completely combined and they not coming apart, you want to stop. Like when they come together and you keep doing it after they already locked, I promise you your locks is gonna get so stiff. Like I'm talking about so stiff that like you can't do nothing with them. Like you want to put some curls in your locks, girl, you can't put no curls in your locks with them stiff ass locks. Take it and pull it, spin around, pull another piece, spin around, pull another piece, spin around, pull another piece. My other hand is also rotating this lock, okay? Y'all see that? I spent my tool around, it's facing out. I'm pulling a piece of hair out. I spent my tool around, it's facing me. I spent my lock around. I did the same thing. When it's through the back part, it need to be out, facing out. When it's through the front part, when it's around the front, like right here, it need to be facing me. And you spin your tool, and you spin your lock. As y'all can see, look at it, coming together, right? The line is disappearing, okay? So we are creating an outer shell around this lock of hair, okay? We already got a lot of the insides together. It's together. It just have lines, and we need to cover that up. We need to close it up all the way. So that's what this step is about, okay? Okay, so boom. Take a piece, it's facing me. We pull it out. Go behind the back, spin it to the outside. Pull another piece out. Spin the lock. Same thing. Make sure all this hair is on the outside, okay? We're not going through the lock anymore. We're not going in the inside of the lock anymore. Right now, we're working on the outer circle of the lock. The outer shell of the lock is what we're working on right now. See how that's like literally starting to like make a wrap around? This hook is always facing the lock. We're gonna pull a piece out. We're gonna go around through the back, look like this, flip it back towards the lock, and take a piece from there. You are making a wrap, basically, around this lock. Wrap it, and wrap it, and wrap it. Make sure it's always facing the lock, and there you go. Locksmithing is very important because all of this still excess hair that we got around here is going to help us, okay? When it comes to locksmithing, all you do is you use the palm of your hand to push all that hair down, and then you use your thumb to roll it around, okay? Now, after we locksmith, we're going to do a palm roll to lock in that locksmithing. And this is what we got. Easy. Good to me. I don't see any lines. But like I said, we're gonna have to touch this up eventually, okay? So boom, I hope y'all like this video. I hope it helped y'all. Y'all already know what's going on, okay? It's Miss Jordan Bell with the 2Ds. I'm the people's favorite unicorn mermaid princess. I does this. This is what I do. Okay? Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and I will be back with another video.
Take my shot.